Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can pause a video on Microsoft Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, brand kits, templates, and right here, you're going to find all of your folders. Right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find two options. Right here, create a new video, and here you're going to find create a video with AI. So right now, I'm going to click on create a new video. So once you click on create a new video, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your video. So first of all, I'm going to click on import media. And then right here, you can choose the video you want to add. Firstly, I'm going to add this one. And then once you add your video, if you want to add it to the timeline, you can either click on the plus icon right here, or you can just drag the video right here. And then once you add it to the timeline, and then with this tool, you can select which place you want to play. And if you want to pause the video or play it, you can just click right here. As you can see, guys, this is the pause and play button. Here, you can go to the right or to the left. You can advance by 5 seconds. Right here, you're going to find the some tools like AI suggestions, undo. Here you can do redo, split. You can split the video or cut it. For example, if I click on split, as you can see, guys, it's split it to two parts. Right here, you're going to find the delete tool, duplicate. Here you can zoom out and zoom in. And lastly, you can zoom to fit. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.